Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to make this beautiful Geo rock cake. First you're going to melt your chocolate, then you're going to put it in this mold, and I'll link all the molds down below for you to find. Shake it up, pour out the excess, and then put it in the freezer. Then I'm going in with these small mini chocolate bar molds, and I'm just going to do 6 of them, like so, and then I'm going to freeze that after. And then I'm going to do my second layer right now, and I typically like to do 3 layers because then that way it's strong and thick, so when you smash it, it's awesome. So just fill that second layer, throw it in the freezer again, like that. Then once I have all my 3 layers done, now I'm taking it apart, and I bought rock candy, and I'm just gonna put it on here, dip it with some chocolate, and put it on. And I tried smashing it, but it wouldn't break, so I just did big pieces, like so. Put it on like that, and then you just kind of play with it. Then I'm going in with gold flakes, and I'm just gonna put it all around my gold flakes, all around my rock candy, like so, like that. And it doesn't have to be even because, you know, real rocks, they're just all over the place and they're scattered, so it looks more realistic, like that. Super easy and fast. You can make your own rock candy too, but it's just too much time for me. And then I'm going in with small little gold flakes on top of the rocks, just dabbing it like so. And don't worry, I washed my hands before I did all this. Then I put my candy in my box, and now I'm putting it on top, and now I'm going to decorate it. So now I'm taking my small pieces of chocolate that's hardened out like that. I'm going to add some gold flakes on top just to give it some accent, like that. And then I'm going to fill this with a bunch of crinkle paper, like that. And I'm going to add my chocolate bars to it, just all around, just spread it out even. And I did this part where it's geo hearts, and I'm just going to add it all around. And I use my Cricut maker, and I cut out happy birthday on it, like that. And it's all done, ready to go. And it looks beautiful, super easy and fast. And if you like our channel, please subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll see you in more smash cake videos. Bye, friends.